Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I wanted to pop up really fast and address a couple of things with you guys as I'm on my way out the door. So I don't really know of a lot of TikTok trends and things that are going on specifically with skincare because I only follow doctors, dermatologists, plastic surgeons, people I know that I can learn valuable information from. So a lot of the trends and things that are going around, I do not know about. But it's my job to answer your questions and learn things and know things to the best of my ability. And I've had about a handful of you ask me about slugging. From what I understand, slugging is when people are putting Vaseline on their faces and then going to bed at night and leaving it on, or maybe they're washing it off. I don't know. But either way, my answer is no. Let me explain. So Vaseline is a petroleum-based product. And one of the main things your skin has to have in order for its overall health is oxygen. Our skin receives oxygen two ways. It receives it from our blood vessels internally, but also from the oxygen in the air topically, and that is called cutaneous respiration. So if you have Vaseline on your face, that is such a barrier that oxygen is not being received by those cells. Not a fan of that. If you feel you have dry, crackly skin, and we're talking places like elbows, knees, heels, things like that, then please maybe consider Aquaphor instead of Vaseline, only because Aquaphor at least has antiseptic properties. So at least you're kind of getting a double benefit there. And please do not do that long term and for a long time. That's a Band-Aid. That's a very temporary fix. But at least that. Now, let me go back to why this is important. You can help oxygenate your skin by exfoliating, exercising, and then receiving what's called oxygenation facials, which of course at Southern Glow we do offer. We offer the number one type, or I guess requested or most popular, I don't know what the right words there are, form of that, which is the Glow 2 facial. So, but there's several types of oxygenation facials. So those are the three ways that you can help your skin receive oxygen. This is important because it promotes collagen, brightness, hydration. It nourishes the skin, it kills bacteria, it reduces redness. Cleans out pores. There's so many benefits to the oxygenation of the skin. So please keep that in mind because that is very, very vital to receive it both from the blood vessels as well as topically. Now, how do you know if your skin is being deprived of oxygen? Skin will typically turn like a bluish grayish color if it's not receiving enough oxygen. So think here. And that sunken in state that sometimes things can happen in. We know, esthetician, whenever you get your skin professionally analyzed, I have to be very careful how I say things. We know what to look for signs of a lack of oxygen, and we cater to that first thing. Hydration and oxygen, in my opinion, are the main two things you need for optimally healthy skin. So that said, if you're seeing some bluish grayish areas in your skin and that lackluster, like it's like you can pull it and it just kind of doesn't respond at all, you need some oxygenation. Again, exercise, exfoliate, oxygen facials, and I've already listed all the reasons this is very important for your skin. If you have that, if you're losing or do not receive the right oxygen, you also run the risk of like a loss of tissue integrity. That's why I say it's just kind of lackluster and not responsive. This can result in ulceration of there's so many things that can go wrong. So please make sure you are not putting Vaseline on your faces. If you're my faces, you better not be. If you're Colby's, you better not be. Come to us, talk to us, tell us your concerns. Always feel free. I really appreciate you guys popping these DMs in and asking these things. Never hesitate to ask us anything. We will do our best to research and get you the best, most educated, usually clinical answer. But I hope this helps. So again, no slugging on my faces. Thanks guys. Hope you have a great week.